Hello friends, welcome back to Fix It With Beer. Quick and easy project for this Sunday afternoon. Some of you may know last weekend we got the new wipers on the Bronco for number one son. All of a sudden number one daughter goes, "Hey Dad, what about my windshield wipers?" And I said, "Are they bad?" "They're bad." So what did I do? I got on my favorite South American Jungle website and I ordered up a quick and easy, you guys look it up, just put in 2018 Subaru Crosstrek windshield wipers. You get a really great kit. I've already pre-opened this to make sure that it was all good. Oh, wait a minute. We gotta fix it with beer. This is only gonna take a second, guys. Coors, flavor of the day. Thanks, Pete. So, I went on Amazon. I already pre-opened this to make sure that what we got. This kit for $22 comes with a 26-inch wiper, 16-inch wiper, and then for the back, 12-inch wiper. This could not be easier, guys. This is a real easy clip. Look at that. Are we gonna do that over again or just leave it in there? Leave the drop in there, it makes it more realistic. Guys, this one's got a clip just like the last one did. If you come over here real close, you take your little button on the release knob there, and you got to pull it forward a little bit once you get it. And then take your little protective green cover off of these things. And then you're going to slide it right in. You see the little thing lines up here. The little tab is going to go right there. And just put it in. It could not be easier. Same thing for the other side. Push the tab, release it. And then same thing, remove your green little strip. And then put that in there just like that. Fronts are done, and I'm thirsty. Let's go to the back. I bet you five or six of you guys are here just for the back, because the back's a little bit more challenging. Not really. So you come here to the wiper, and this is the hardest part. You got to just have the confidence to know this is how you do it. If you grab it by the bottom and gently pull it, it'll pop right out. You see the little hole right here? It's kind of slides in sideways. So we'll get this new one out. Remove the green protective cover. They put that in the directions. You guys don't need the directions though. You got me. Oh, now I was running my mouth like this was so easy. Rounded side towards the outside, guys. And then you kind of put it in there at the angle and just there you go. Oh, it feels like it's gonna break. Feels like it's gonna break, but it doesn't. There we go, guys. That's it. Quick and easy project. 22 bucks on Amazon. Check it out. Hey, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you get the chance. Hope this video helps you get your windscreen all set to go. Have a great weekend.